Okay, you're watching Lishu Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is caste census. Should it take place in India or not? So both the teams are ready. We are ready. Hopefully, you are ready. So let's get it started.
So, hello everyone. I'm Shabnam and I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on a topic that is caste census. Should it take place in our India or not? Well, I personally believe that it should take place in our India. First of all, I will mention that what is caste census. It is it is a system of of collecting data about castes, that how many castes are living in our country, how can we develop to those people who are backward. So for removing discrimination we need caste census. For removing casteism we need caste census. For developing our country we need caste census. So can we change anything with the help of caste census? If I talk about unemployment and inflation is increasing day by day. For removing this thing, that will it policy make better our country? So definitely it will make better our country. I sometime we think that what is the means, we are not developing, that why our country is so crowded, why we have no better infrastructure, why we have no jobs, why we have no place to live. For removing these things we need caste census. If government will do caste census, so definitely we will develop. Or and That's it.
So, as we all know, the topic that is caste census, that is too much debatable and mesmerizing. As for my opinion, I would like to say that caste census should not take place in our India, because when I got to know about this policy, I saw that there are many kinds of disadvantages more than advantages. Now I'm going to tell you one by one. First, I have it's mean most of the people, it's mean even our government has the misconception that our India can develop with the help of caste census, but it's not like this. I have a question: that is there any country which has caste census but however that country is developed? So what is the guarantee that because of the caste census we can develop our India? If we want a real development, so we have to improve our education system, infrastructure, transportation, but our government is not focusing, is not giving this much attention to these kind of problems. Our government is focusing on caste based policies, so I don't think so that our India can be developed with the help of caste census.
I will give a survey that according to National Food Security, that acts in 2013, that 75% rural people and 50% uh, people are getting ration, but there are so many people who are not getting, who need. So because of it, that it is assumed that 12 crore eligible people are here who are not getting anything. And according to PTS, 12 crore are not crore people are not getting. And if I talk about Bihar, Telangana and Karnataka, their caste census has happened. I would like to give data about Bihar, that their caste survey has done, and most of the backward people are living here. Around 63% are people there. And SC, ST, OBC, 42% people are there who are backward, and 33% people are there who are more backward. And if I talk about families who are surviving in 6,000 or less than 6,000 rupee, they are surviving. 34.3% people are there, and 95.49% people are there who have no any kind of vehicles, and 3.8% people have their two wheeler. And in that data, 2.01% people are there who belong to upper caste, and 52% people are there who took education till 10th class or below the 10th class. They have no education. For improving these things, government are doing means government is giving facilities to those people who need. So because of caste census, we can get to know more thing about our country.
Do you know, sister, why these kind of things are happening in our India? That people are most of the families are living on just 6,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees just because of employment. It's not about caste based things. If we want to our real development, if we want to develop our country, our people, our citizens of India. So why do we need caste census? Our government should invest the GDP, money of it means the money on on the education system, employment, but they are not doing this kind of things. So that's why they are it's mean backward. And as for you were saying about that this much people are suffering, they are not getting ration and all. So I would like to say that our government is just doing work on old data. That's why on old census data,
That's why. Let me
census
speak. Okay, okay.
caste census didn't reveal. So I don't think so that because of caste census they are not doing this kind of thing. If we want to improve our India, so we have to focus on other things.
Means our government is working on the basis of old data, that class census took place in 2011 and last caste census took place in 1931. So you can see that if our government means government is doing, or government is working better for our India, so they are doing working on the old data.